The creator question number one. How does the movie portray the relationship between humans and artificial intelligence robots? Answer. My answer is unlike AI, which follows rules and algorithms, humans process the innate ability to think critically, adapt to new situations, and express complex emotions. Human intelligence is just about crunching numbers or solving puzzles. It's about the human experience. Sa makita no sa movie is ano siya, about sa AI robots na process siya sa relationship between sa humans kay gabi siya sa ano sa sa robot sa intelligence kung same ba sila o ma-adapt ba sa tao nga may robot nga kauban. Tapos sa question number 2, what are the main ethical dilemmas presented in the film regarding AI and robots? Sa akong pananaw, addressing bias and ensuring fairness in AI algorithms is a critical ethical concern. AI systems often require access to large amounts of data, including sensitive personal information. The ethical challenge lies in collecting, using, and protecting this data to prevent privacy violations. Robot ethics, sometimes known as robotics, concerns ethical problems that occur with robots as whether robots pose a threat to humans in the long run. So ang mga robot ay ano siya, isa ka laylay ang robot, kaya ang robot walay damdamin, walay emotion. So naira siya sa tao, kay tao may emotion. Tapos kabalo mo tanaw sa usa ka tao na makita niya nga may problema ang isa ka tao, dili ka pala sa robot nga nakay problema dili makita sa robot. So ang question number 3 is how does the film address the potential benefits and risks of the advanced technology? Sa akong pananaw sa kaning nga film is nindot siya, so daghan kang makatunan nga about sa ano sa AI generation. Unsa po diri sa new technologies such as robotics and AI have grown exponentially beyond science fiction to embed themselves in our daily lives. What was one fictional is nova reality for many, and post-COVID world in this film. The major shift in society is due to an explosion caused by a supposed malfunction in the system of the Western world. So mao to kung na ano sa movie, ano po siya, nindot siya, pwede po sa dagan kang makatunan, dagan po kang may balaan. So dagan kang maano sa movie na yan sa The Creator. Thank you.